Medalists, our Golden Spikers of the University of Santo Tomas. Second referee, Mr. Joffer Educado. Calling on our Golden Spikers of the University of Santo Tomas. Number 6, Albucari Sally. Number 13.
In a few weeks.
Right.
Albucari Sally.
Talagang corner yung tinarget niya eh. Zone
Salta dun sa actual rotation ni Vince Mangulabnan na as a team, kailangan ma-develop din yung character niyo, di ba?
2. Right. Talagang dapat tinatry ng coaches yung mga players na nasa labas.
Itong battle for third na to na iba pa rin kasi na matapos mo yung season, panalo ka.
Yes. Every game, actually every game is important.
Oo. Bukard Sally with that drop. Kakatakol na si... Back inside the playtime, Phil Oil Center.
FEU sa lalaki. See you guys later.
Oh, that is kapag hindi nag 5 sets lahat yung mga laro na sa Battle for Third. As Vin Katinsag denied that attack. Ocatreo.
Pigil na pigil. Tatlo yung blockers eh. Even yung open hitter. Si Josh Ibanez humabol sa dulo.
Grab block of the set. Courtesy of set. Dax. Survey muna. Binigay kay Bucards.
From the back row, Albucari Sally.
5 attack points for Books. This set one alone. Quite a number coming from the Tawi-Tawi native.
First set pa lang yan, Jay.
Oo. Back set, pinapalo si Bucards.
Pinadaan sa ibabaw ng blockers. Iba rin yung mataas na yung talon. Tapos, ang taas din ang reach. Kasi ang haba ng arms nito ni Sally eh.
Ang nasa table, yan, 15-13 USD.
Yes, that's the official score. USD up by 2.
Dikit kasi. Oh, it's an ace! Got that.
USD pulling away.
USD just mounted a run with that move with ace of the set na baka bawiin pa kapag naging successful ang challenge ng Ateneo. But from our vantage point, Mitch, that service looked good.
Check natin tong challenge na to. Ball in, ball out.
It was in. Yes.
Inside.
Because that compression of the ball. Grab a spike of the set by Carl Reyes. Dalawa lamang ng UST. Bucards, ginawang tatlo.
Bulatan ng Ateneo at UST. Isa lang ang blocker ulit ng Ateneo. Pagka-isa lang ang blocker, talagang tumatag na yung depensa. Andrea.
Third attack point for JMU. Back set. Albucari Sally.
Albucari on top of his blockers. Hindi natinag eh.
Grab spike at the set this early coming from Bucards. Still handing out some high screens. That's why at this point we need to turn down the heat and turn up the cool. Keep cheering, keep smiling, and keep cool with Crunch. Huwag nyo kaming uubusan ng Nestle Crunch ni Michelle Datuin.
Mga 10.
Siyam na lang, okay lang. Akin yung isa. Final series sa nilalaro ng UST. Iba ang galaw mo kapag walang pressure whatsoever.
Right. Pero yung galaw na yon ni Katinsag, ang sipag sa blocking.
Oh, nananakot ko. Grab block of the set. Total denial on that attack.
Hindi talaga sila bumitaw.
Combination. Huli pa rin si JM.
Binigyan si JM ng another chance, pero ayaw ng UST na palusutin. Saradong-sarado na.
Smile naman.
Unang paso kasi, given yan.
Ganda na back set. Nagsiksikan yung Ateneo.
Lumikit sa net.
Number 6, Albucari Sally. Team captain, number 7, Docs Yuan Yambao. To our bronze medalists, our golden spikers of the University of Santo Tomas.